In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as theories and frameworks and discourse analysis. Listeners and audience, today I'm going to start another framework and discourse analysis, and that is functional linguistics framework. Listeners and audience, functional linguistic framework is a discourse analysis framework that examines that how language is used to achieve communicative purposes and social context. This framework was developed by Michael Halliday in 1978. It views language as a social instrument. That the role of language is to create and maintain social relationship. Secondly, the role of language is to convey ideas and concepts. And thirdly, the role of language is to organize the text, to achieve cohesion and coherence and persuasiveness. Listeners and audience, this framework has been divided in three parts. According to this framework, there are three basic functions. There are three basic functions of language. In the language of this framework, it is called, the language has three meta functions. Meta functions mean higher level functions a language has. The first function of language, that is ideational function. The second function of language is interpersonal function. And the last one, that is textual function. Listeners and audience, whenever we are talking about ideational function represents ideas and concepts such as freedom, equality, and justice. For example, take the example of the speech of Martin Luther King. I have a dream. This speech or this phrase actually represents the freedom and the significance, the importance of freedom. And the second function of language, according to this framework, is interpersonal function. Interpersonal function establishes relationship and social roles. There are so many examples. For example, take the example of the pathetic tragedy that happened yesterday in Iran. The president of Iran, Ibrahim Raisi, he passed away in a helicopter crash. So, the countries, they express their condolence. They, for example, especially we Pakistani, we express our condolence to the people of Iran. So this statement is based on sympathy, because the examples of interpersonal function includes showing sympathy, empathy, and solidarity. And these represent social roles and relationship. And the last one, that is textual function. Textual function basically focuses upon the organization of the text, upon the cohesion and coherence, that how a text is organized. Like cohesion and coherence focuses upon the vocabulary, sentence structure. For example, when we are applying this model or this framework to a text, definitely we will say that how a text is organized. First of all, introduction. After that, for example, the body, and then conclusion, the vocabulary, cohesion and coherence, all these will be uh, analyzed. So hope that now you know about functional linguistics. Thank you.